Hey, how's everyone doing today? Welcome back to another video. This is another trade recap video. So we're gonna go over what we did for the week. Today was really bullish, I would say. I just wasn't in the right state of mind to have the right mentality to enter. I was felt rushed because this was like a retracement from last week. So we did have this retracement. From this retracement, we just went up. Hold on. Let me do on another pair so you guys can see what I'm talking about. I'm doing the XM. Alright, boom. So what do I mean like this? We're bullish in such a way that last week looked like a retracement, something like this. So bullish still had the bigger say. So we were able to use bullish and have these previous highs from about a year ago. So we did come to break this. We're gonna definitely break structure as of let me see this high right here. So I think we did a glimpse in a month. If we did break structure, should we should be breaking structure as of as the main almost over, so we should be breaking structure as of soon. So with that being said, we're actually moving on to new heights. Given that we might come back and break this from May 2021, it's possible, but I might have some setbacks. But it's okay. So this was 2018. So this is 21. That's about 3 years. 3 years again. So yeah, fairly 3 years. This was 23. Yeah, so fairly 3 years. So I mean, there's nothing else to say about that other than just wait and hope for the best. So when I'm on the daily, 3 years, what my thought process was. And like I said, bullish. Thursday was bearish. Friday was bearish. Thursday was bullish, my bad. Then we're gonna go into 1 hour and see. Like I said, 1 hour is gonna be your best friend going to this because it tells you what we're doing for an hour. Even that you follow this strategy. So this one we have draw liquidity over here. This draw liquidity give us again at the second draw liquidity. It give us a confirmation that yes, we're going bullish. I just wasn't in my right state of mind. We did have this retracement 6, 7, then here, draw liquidity, start New York session, and just ran through. So I did 8, 9, 10. I could have done 10, but I mean, 10, 11, 12. I think I entered about 12. Let's go back to my, the one I used. Like, 8. I know I was yeah, so it was around 12 I entered. 11 was like a retracement hour, so I just let it happen. So left that one, then just went all the way. But yeah, that being said, we did have this gap right here. Price did feel it, so just waiting for the next day holds us for us. Nothing really too much rather than just finding entries since we know the price action for today. Here, price. So I just wait for a retracement. So I have to have waited till here at 11 for this retracement. But I mean, I wasn't at my best day. Like I said, this retracement order block over here. This order block, wait for price to then touch back in. I would have entered probably around here. So I did enter a bit higher, but I mean, can I say 5 minute? It's a better analysis of what I'm trying to see. Go all the way down here. I'm not order block right here. Let's come back, tap into this, zero of this. We already have this breaker structure right here. That's what's the answer of this breaker structure right here. Enter end of this, then we will actually target it. I like entry of the 50% mark. It gives me like the confirmation that yeah, price is gonna at least come back to the 50. Enter come trade up to here. And it's likely under this, or we could have used this fair value gap right here as like top of this fair value gap as our you call this our stop loss. Where is it? I'm gonna show you guys something. Where I was trying to say like if the highs will have actually targeted. So if I go to webinar, I'm gonna look for a previous session like right here. This was out of definitely for this. I don't want to take profit. I can take profit will be these highs right here. And everything else I'm not gonna worry about because that's not where I am. That makes sense. I don't go beyond what I say. So go back to 1 minute. No, 1 minute and see what the price action could have been. This is also, like I said, 50% mark. So I had to close up this stop loss here at the top of this fair value gap. Target it all the way through here. So 1 to 3. That's really good. That's actually really good with the 10 pip stop loss. So I think this would be like a decent trade, a really decent one. Got gone in, got the bag, got all we needed to do. Take profit here, break the structure. Know how to take profit too. At these New York session highs, right? Like if they were previous New York session highs as of when I was looking at the market, if that makes sense. So take profit 2 here, take profit 3. These previous days highs. So yeah, that's gonna be all for the video. Thank you guys for taking our. Yeah, that was good evening. And I'll see you guys on the next day. Peace.